Guys, welcome back to the channel Excelling Trade. I hope you're enjoying the previous sports videos. And as told earlier, today we are going to check how to fetch the 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes data from of the any stock. Okay, I'm not saying from. The reason is here we are not going to use NSE India as a in the previous we have did in the previous videos. Okay, you all aware that NSE India doesn't give this 5-15 minutes data, so we are going to take it from Google Finance. And let me show you the URL. So this is the Google Finance URL, and just take it. And this URL is nothing but first one is Q equal to Wipro, that is script name you have to give, and then X equal to NSE, that is exchange, and I equal to 900, that is interval is 900, which means 15 minutes. Okay, so whatever minutes you have to convert that into 60 seconds, you have to give it in 60 seconds. Okay, say if you want for 1 hour data, so then it is 60 in 60, 3600 you have to give. And the next one is P equal to 2, which is nothing but the number of days period. Okay, so if this will return for 2 days period. And F equal to DOHLCV, this is nothing but it will return you date, open, high, low, close, and volume. Okay, so let's enter this, and you will get this data. Okay, and if you see the date, there are first part is it shows exchange and market open minute and close minute and interval 900 seconds. uh, don't worry much about this and all not needed for us anyway, we're not going to use it as well. And time zone offset, this is 3:30, which is nothing but our GMT offset. I think you might have you might seen in the clock that it will show Asia Pacific, it will show GMT plus 5:30. Okay, so this is what the offset which shows 3:30 here. Okay, so now in the bottom, if you see here, the first column, it starts with the date. Okay, but if you see here, it shows something like A15196 and all, then it will show for 123, and it will go till 120. Okay, and assume that you are taking it for 1 week, that is 7 days, and it will return you the data. And after some time, this A also will get changed. I have taken it for 30 days. Now you can see this data here. Say it starts with A155, and there will be one more A which gets started, and just a second, I will, yeah, you can find it here. Okay, and don't worry much about what is this A and what is this first number, and let me show you how we can convert this. Okay, just copy this URL and open a new Excel. Let it get open, and then open a blank sheet, and under data tab click on from web, and you can just copy paste the new URL and click OK, and you should get this yes, so just click edit, don't worry about the other thing. Okay, so let me tell you, I'm not going to show the full thing, but I will tell you what I have done, because you also no need to worry about it. I will keep provide the code in the description. You can click on the link and get the code. Okay, I will tell you what you have to do after getting the code. Okay, first you change this name. You can just change the name to get 15-minute data. Okay, or whatever the name you want. And what I'm going to do is the first 7 cell, it is not needed for us, so you can, it is like just remove top rows, and click 7, and this will be removed. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to get the timestamp is nothing but it is the way of representing a time in different format. Okay, UTC format or computer format. Okay, um, just ignore that. What we are going to do is we are going to get this timestamp first, and we are doing some calculation to get the timing. Okay, so what you can do is just copy paste the URL, and once you get this page, click on advanced editor, and whatever code I have given you, just copy, just paste it like this. Okay, that's it for you, and you should have got this data. So this is the starts with the date, close, high, low and volume. So I have taken for 2 days and you got this. Okay. And generally the 15-minute data, how you have to interpret is, if it mentioned here as 9:30, it means it is 9:15 to 9:30 data. Okay. Let us go for today's one. Say generally when you're taking 2 days data, you can get the 2 days, but there will be one more data which shows 9:15 here. You can just ignore. It means this is 9 to 9:15. Maybe it is pre-open time and you can just ignore this. Okay. And just start from 9:30 only. 9:30 means it is 9:15 to 9:30. Whatever date comes here, it actually is a close. Okay. This is for Canara Bank. I have taken this and okay. So Canara Bank today's open 15 minutes open close. We are going to compare and confirm. Okay. So 9:30. If you see here, the close is 306.4 and high is 308.5. Low is 303.85 and open is 307. Okay. And let me open Zerodha. And don't believe whether Zerodha or Google or anything, the data is correct. There may be some 5 to 10 paise difference as well will be there. Okay. Just click on this chart and you can just check for 9:15 data, today's data. You can see here, this is sorry, you can just check in this part. Okay. Here you can see 307 open, high is 308.50, low is 303.85 and close is 306.40. Okay. So this data is correct and this is fine. Now what you can do is just click close and load to, and maybe you can select existing worksheet and put it in the A7 cell and click OK. Okay. And click load. So you will get it. Now I'm going to do for to make it dynamic for any stock, just give symbol equal to, okay, this is something Wipro, and change this to symbol. If anyone not aware of this how to do, refer part 3 video. Okay. And then now we need an interval. I'm just giving 2, and this also I'm changing this to interval. Okay. And then next is period, sorry, time. And time I am giving 900. So always you have to give multiplication of seconds in seconds. Okay. Okay. So you got this. And now what you can do is just go here and click new source, click blank query, and just copy paste the code which I have earlier given. Anyhow, you can take it from the same file itself. I'm going to update. So go to advanced editor and copy paste this. Okay, this is symbol only, so just leave it. And this is going to be symbol. And then one more, I mean, you have to create 2 more queries. So just go to blank query and again advanced editor, just paste, and here you give interval and click done. Okay. And change this to interval, and next one more query, new source, other source, blank query, click advanced editor, just paste this, and this is going to be time. Okay. So click done. You can rename this to time. Okay. Just click invoke, you should get the time. Similarly for all the other functions you can check. Okay. So time is working, interval is also working, and symbol is also working. Okay. So just delete, don't forget to delete this invoke function, otherwise it will get loaded unnecessary. It is no harm, but it is not needed for us. Okay. Now go to get 15 minutes data, and we are going to use the function. So Canara Bank you are replacing with symbol. Don't forget to give this open and close bracket. that is very much needed. Okay, and this quotes also, whenever you are concatenating two strings and variables, you have to give like that. And this 900 is time, this is time, again this is function, so you have to give this. And then the period is also the interval. Okay, and this is also function, don't forget to give open and close bracket. Okay, and click done, you'll get this. And choose public, click save, and you will get the data. Okay, and click close and load. So whatever your data you got, it is for Wipro. So let us check for Infi, and you can refresh this. So you got the data for Infi. Okay, that's it. To get the data for 15 minutes data for any stock, you can just change the data also. I mean the symbol you can change, and you will get the 15 minutes data. Okay, and in the next video I will show you how to create the screener, and possibly in the next two videos I'm going to show how to create the intraday screener. Okay, which includes the combination of two or three methods, and that is my favorite screener which I'm using for my own trading as well. Okay, till then keep practicing this, and any queries you can just post it in our Telegram group. And if you have any comments, just post it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, and as well as please share to your friends as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day. Bye bye.